Hello children, today we will start standard third mathematics. Now can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is a carrot. This is a carrot. Now can you tell me which shape does it resemble? Yes, it resembles a triangle. It resembles a triangle. Very good. And what is this? This is a tomato. And which shape does it resemble? It resembles a circle. It resembles a circle. This is a matchbox. Very good. For what do we use matchboxes? Yes, to light a gas, to light a diya, to light a candle. Yes, and this resembles a shape of rectangle. Very good. And this is a cube. This is a cube and this resembles the shape of a square. Now children, today we will start with the first chapter of mathematics, that is Introduction to Geometric Figures of Standard 3. Now see, whatever I had spoken, triangles, circles and quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. A four. Quadri means four. Quadrilateral means four-sided figure. So over here, what is a quadrilateral? A rectangle is a quadrilateral. A square is a quadrilateral. Now this is a triangle. Tri means three. Okay, and quadri means four. So this is a bit of revision of whatever was taught to you last year. So look at the pictures below, identify the geometrical figure, draw it and write its name. Now this is a carom board. So what it resembles? It is a square. So we will write here a square. This is a sandwich, but it resembles a triangle. So we write it as a triangle. Again, this is like a rectangle. It is a rectangle. And this is a bangle, but it is circle. So these are the basic shapes. Now the next exercise on the same page, it says identify the triangles, circles and quadrilaterals in the picture below. Color the triangles red, the quadrilaterals blue and circles yellow. So whichever triangles you see, you have to color in red. So all the triangles will be red in color. In your text only you can do this. Very good. So all the triangles will be red in color. Okay, all the quadrilaterals will be blue in color. All the quadrilaterals, okay. So all the quadrilaterals will be blue in color. So all 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are quadrilaterals. These are quadrilaterals. All four-sided figures are quadrilaterals. All these are quadrilaterals. All these quadrilaterals will be blue in color, and you have to color the circles with yellow. All the circles with yellow. Now my colors won't be looking so neat. You can color it neatly. Okay, here the quadrilaterals are still remaining. So this way you have to complete this exercise. Now children, now if you see, this is a rectangle. Okay, this is a rectangle. Rectangle. So, but how many sides does it have? Now look at this piece of barfi. So how many, and it's a, what its shape? Its shape is quadrilateral. So how many sides it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are called as edges. What are these called? All these corners that are those. If this is a rectangle, and this part, the sides are called as edges, and it has got a quadrilateral, has 4 edges and 4 corners. It has got 4 corners. Okay, edges. So we are going to talk about edges and corners now. Okay, now this is a table. How many edges does the surface have? Surface means this above. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has got 4 edges. How many corners? So 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner, 4 corners. 4 corners. And what is the shape of the surface? What is the shape of the surface? Now what is, now they are asking you this shape of this surface of the table. So what is its shape? Its shape is rectangle. Its shape is rectangle. So now let's see what is a rectangle. What are the properties of a rectangle? Now this is a rectangular sheet of paper. How many edges and how many corners does a rectangle have? Edges means 1, 2, 3, 4 means the sides. And how many corners does it have? It has got 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has got 4 corners. So 4 edges and 4 corners. Very good. Now now see children, what we do is we take this rectangular. Now suppose this is a rectangle that I have paper, and I will fold this corner and it will become, it will overlap each other. Okay, it will overlap each other. I am going to fold it over here and it will overlap each other. When it overlaps, so these both sides are totally equal. These both sides are opposite sides, means this side will come here and it will be equal. This both will of the equal size. Now even if I fold it this way, even if I fold it this way, so this side will be equal to this side. So the most important property of a rectangle is the opposite side of a rectangle are equal. We have seen. Now what you do is you take a rectangular piece of paper and you fold and see. It will be exactly equal. The opposite sides will be exactly equal. Now similarly we'll come to the square. Okay, a handkerchief. If you have a handkerchief, use a handkerchief. How many edges and corners does a square have? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has got 4 edges and 4 corners. Now we are going to fold it like this. When you fold it like this, it will be exactly equal. You can try this with a paper at home or a handkerchief at home. And now we are going to, now I have folded, I get the handkerchief like this and again I fold it like this. So all the edges of the squares are equal length, means all edges match each other. So a square in a rectangle, opposite sides of a rectangle are of equal length, and in square all sides are equal. Now children, now see, once I fold this, I get a triangle. I get a triangle. So how many sides? 1, 2, 3. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3. Now Find this shape in your surroundings. You have to find something and write the answer over here. You have to find some shapes. So one is window. What you will find? Square, anything square around you. Write that. So like this you have to find and write. Now use matchsticks. Use matchsticks to make the following things. See. Square, triangle, rectangle. Quadrilateral is one and the same thing. So any square and rectangle is a quadrilateral. Now let's come here. Now what is this figure? It is a quadrilateral. How many edges? 4 edges, 4 corners. Rectangle. 4 edges, 4 corners. Square. 4 edges, 4 corners. Triangle. 4 edges, 3 edges, 3 corners. Circle. No edges, no corners. Okay. So this is the table of edges and corners. Now children, have you seen puzzles? You have puzzles at home? You play with your puzzles? Yes. So today we will see how to make puzzles from shapes, and that is called as tangram. Now how to make a 5-piece tangram? Now suppose if this is a square. Okay, now fold it and find the center. Okay, now from here draw one line and from here draw another line. Okay, so this is one part, then draw this line and this line. So how many pieces you have to cut this? So 1 2 3 4 5. You have to cut this and it will be in this shape. So how many triangles are there in a tangram? 1 2 and 3. Are all these triangles equal? Are alike or same? No, they are not. Can we join two of the triangles to make a square? We'll be able to join two triangles and make a square. Yes, if you take this 1 triangle and 4 triangle, 1 number triangle and 4 number triangle, you will be able to make a square. Yes, with triangle number 1 and 4. Can we join two of the triangles to make a bigger triangle? Can you join? Suppose if I join this and this. Suppose if this is, so will it become a triangle? No, it will become a quadrilateral. And suppose if we bring this triangle out over here also, then also one side will increase and it will become a quadrilateral. No. How many squares are there in this tangram? How many squares? 1 square. And how many quadrilaterals? 2 quadrilaterals. Okay. Now I'll show you something amazing where you can also try it. Now children, see, this is a tangram. This is a tangram with different shapes inside. See, this is a triangle, this is a triangle, this is a triangle, this is a triangle. You can also have this, color it, cut into pieces and see how many shapes you can make. See. Now can you tell me what is this? You can make a rocket. You can make a ship, boat. This is an aeroplane. This is also a boat. And this is a vehicle. So like this you can make shapes. So what you do is you take one paper, draw these lines. First draw this line. Okay. Then you draw this line. Then you draw this line. Okay. Now at this corner, make this line. So first you are going to draw this line, then this, then this. Extend this line here for, then just opposite to it, make this line 5, and then make this line 6. So you will get these different shapes, color it with these colors, cut it, cut all these pieces, and you can make so many shapes from here. So you can make your own puzzles with the help of a tangram. You can go to the internet, search tangram, and you will find amazing shapes where you can make, just sitting at home, you can make homemade puzzles. Now it's just a simple exercise. Identify the figures drawn on the dotted paper, color the triangles red, squares blue, and rectangles green. I think so this is a very simple exercise which you can do it on yourself. So what did we learn in this lesson? First we learned the properties of rectangle. Property of rectangle. What is the property of rectangle? Opposite sides are equal. Then we learnt property of square. What is the property of square? All sides are equal. Then we learnt about the edges and corners. And then we have learnt tangram, which is nothing but cutting shapes and making things. So this is the only important thing of this lesson. Okay, meet you in the next video, children. Goodbye.